Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today, as you can tell, I'm in a salon and I'm getting my hair done by this wonderful gentleman here.
Martin.
We'll find out about him, what the name is called and all that. They're right here in 𝙎𝙧𝙧𝙯, so you want to come and visit them, okay? So on that note, please help me welcome Martin to the channel. Martin, how are you today?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you?
Very good. I'm excited.
Well, welcome to Impressive Hair Salon.
Thank you. So look at my hair before. There's no shape, as you can tell. Okay, so Martin is going to do his work and we'll do the after. Okay?
Right.
I'm excited.
My client said she wanted number 2 on the side. She doesn't want to go too low. So it is very important to listen to my client so that I can have the hand. My client be happy and I am happy. So when my client happy, then I am happy. So
wonderful.
I will do my best to make sure that I don't go too low, but you already specify exactly that you don't want to go too low. So I'll be using the number 2 on the sides and the longer on the top.
Perfect.
And as you can see, her hair is residing right there because of braids. So I was explaining to my client that it's best to go low to meet here, but she doesn't want to go that low, so I'm going to try to meet halfway.
We'll try number 2, and then if it looks awkward, we'll go to 1.
All right. There we go with the number 2.
Here it goes. Snip, snip, snip. So Martin, while you're doing this, let's chat.
Yes.
How long have you been in 𝙎𝙧𝙧𝙯?
I've moved to 𝙎𝙧𝙧𝙯 in 2014. I lived in Calgary from 2010. Lived in Ontario from 93. So I've been here a long time, over 20 years.
Wow.
And you may want to ask me, how did I get started to live in here?
Yes.
So in 1993, I came to Canada on July 10th, 93. Wow.
July?
Yeah.
Today?
10th. Oh my goodness, anniversary.
That's my mom's birthday actually.
Wow. So yeah, I went to the barber once, and after going into the barber shop, you know, there was a lot of chatting and I did not have an appointment, so I ended up waiting maybe over 2 hours trying to get my hair cut. So that was the first and last I've ever gone to a barber shop. From ever since I bought my clipper, and I started cutting my own hair.
So you cut your own hair?
Yeah, I cut my own hair.
Amazing.
Yeah, so that's why I got started in the business many years ago.
Wow.
I got transferred from Ontario to Calgary, Alberta. Yeah. Because I'm also an appliance technician.
Oh,
so my job imagine that. Here, yes. So I got transferred here, but I've always been doing like mobile barbering. I did mobile barbering when I was in Toronto. And I love it, going to clients' home and cutting their hair. Beautiful. So in 2017, after doing appliance repair for all those years, the urge was just like boiling up in me that I need to get my license, because in Alberta you must have your license. Yes. So February of 2017, I just decided that I'm going back to school. I don't know where the money was coming from. Oh my! But I have to make, you know, barbering be part of my career. So I quit my business as a contractor, and then I did school full time from all of that here, and then I got my license. Well, so, congratulations! Yeah, well done. Thank you so much. Nothing like being your own boss. Yes, so that's how I got started. Oh, beautiful. Yes. That's a nice story. So if you're in 𝙎𝙧𝙧𝙯 or even in Calgary, because Calgary is not so far, or Cotsfield, all around, Martin is right here in 𝙎𝙧𝙧𝙯, in the heart of 𝙎𝙧𝙧𝙯. And apparently he doesn't just barb hair, and it's a salon, full salon, yes. Full salon. And then he fixes appliances too. Yeah. What kind of appliances do you fix? I repair fridge, stove, washer, dryer, microwave, all the appliances. Microwave? Yeah, all of them. Okay, I do have a microwave that needs help, so we'll talk about this after. Oh, yeah. Really? Yeah, so just more information in how I got started here. Yeah. Just before COVID, which was 2019, I just started having this thought about having a salon, and my mechanic was going to rent me a room, and then the cost was going to be too much.
Yeah.
So he said, maybe you should just do something out of your garage. That's how it all clicked. And I came home and just started brainstorming. Went to the city. First thing I did, I cut the side door there outside.
Yeah.
So that in the winter, my clients can walk from the side door and I leave the big door closed.
Yeah.
So after I did that, they approved that, did all the work myself, cutting the door and all of that. Then,
he's a handyman.
Yes, I'm a handyman. So,
that's good.
Yeah. And then by December, I finished put up this wall.
Wow.
Right. So my car used to park right in here, but then I can't.
Now it's been converted.
Yes.
Oh, and I'll show you around when we're done. You see the place.
Yeah.
But wow. And I see all your diplomas and stuff.
Yeah.
So you're fully licensed to work here in 𝙎𝙧𝙧𝙀. Perfect.
And one very important story, like when I went to the city, they said they weren't sure that they would approve. And their staff, I just worked with them, give them exactly what they needed.
Yeah.
And just before COVID, it has to go into the paper to be published for 3 weeks. So just at the right time when COVID started, it was in the paper. So nobody appealed it and they approved it.
Amazing! Do you believe in God?
Oh yeah, totally.
Okay, because He can arrange things like that. Exactly. So that's awesome.
That's why I'm, everybody come here, they think, how did you, but it's all God.
God did it. Amazing.
He worked it out because when they did it, they probably won't happen, but it's a residential area.
Yes.
So I'm just so grateful, to God for making it possible. And I work for myself.
Yeah.
I do appliance repair in a day and then do this full time. So quick story on that.
It's beautiful.
My plan was really, because I did appliance repair for so many years, driving on the road.
Yeah.
So this is my plan. Work from home. Let my clients come to me. In the winter, they can come to me. And
that's the best.
But listen, COVID came, closed the salons, and then my employer, who I quit from 2017, called me back. So now I work full-time. This ending of this month will be 4 years since I started back with them doing full-time in appliance repair.
Oh!
So in the evenings, I come and I finish that job and I come here and I work from like 5 up to 8 or so.
Oh, I see. So that's your hours then. If you
that's
want
my
to
hours in the daytime from Monday to Friday. And then Sunday I open from 9 to, let's say, 3, 4 o'clock. On Saturday I don't open at all. That's a day of rest. So
rest. You have to rest.
Yeah, I don't believe in killing out our body. God created us.
Yes, and He wants us to rest.
Work, rest. Work, rest. So the weekly cycle continues.
Oh, beautiful.
So I'm very grateful, yes.
That's good. And we'll put your hours there too. So if people want to call you for any of your services. We'll take a short break and we'll be back with Martin, okay?
All right.
Thank you so much. So we are back, people.
Yes.
With Martin at
Impressive
Hair Salon.
Yes.
And as I mentioned, it's not just a barbering shop, okay? It's a full salon. He does all sorts of hair here. Men, women, and his hours are there. It will be in the description box too. So as Martin and I were talking, I started from a very humble, beginning, and it was also, he shared some of his story, right? So whatever you want to do, start. Don't hold yourself back. Start from where you are, whatever it is. Start as small as it is. Start, right, Martin?
Yes, absolutely.
Don't wait till you have all the stuff.
Yeah.
All your ducks in a row before you start. No, start now, okay? Don't hold yourself back. So we're about to style the hair. The cut is done.
So this is a pomade. It's water-based. I don't use oil.
Okay.
Because oil will block the pores and cause hair growth problem later.
It smells good.
Right? So it's a peach.
Oh,
so I normally
love
use this.
And you wet the hair a little bit.
You don't wet it. No, it's all dry.
Okay.
That's
Oh, we thank God for that.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing this. And we met at the 𝙈𝙧𝙧𝙯𝙯 Culture Fest.
Yes,
the
that's where we met.
first ever 𝙈𝙧𝙧𝙯𝙯 Culture Fest. So, yeah, he said he's a hairdresser. He has his salon. I was like, oh, really? We exchange numbers, and then here we are making a video.
So to find me online,
perfect, please.
You can go to Impressive Hair Salon, or you can go to 𝙈𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙯𝙯, Impressive Hair Salon, 𝙈𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙯.com.
Okay.
You can find me there. My number is 587-707-1048.
Let's say that number again because we don't want.
Yes. So it's 587-707-1048.
So you have it.
Or you can
and
search,
the address.
Yes, you can search online Impressive Hair Salon. Right in Google, you'll find me right there. All my information is there.
Yes, the
address, everything. You will find 𝙈𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙯. You click book, and then you download the app. Very easy. Very easy to book your appointment there. You book your appointment, and I confirm it right away. So one thing I love about the booking, you don't have to come and wait. You book your appointment, you show up, and you're gone.
Oh, nice!
Right, so there's
he
no
started
long
his
wait.
whole salon because he didn't want to wait, so he won't keep you waiting.
Yes, exactly.
That's nice.
So that's why
good.
my client, they love it. They just book online and they just come and gone.
Oh,
no long waiting.
That's great.
Yes.
So if you're in 𝙈𝙧 or area and you're looking for a great salon, hair, you want your hair. It's summer, right? Get your hair done. Get your hair cut. Come see Martin at Impressive Hair Salon here in 𝙈𝙧, okay? And book online, find him online, and then come thank me later, okay?
Yes.
It's a very nice location, and he's very personable, as you can see. Very nice gentleman.
Thank you.
So come get your hair done. Thank you so much, Martin, for
doing
this. I'm so grateful. I'm going to go rock my hair. It's so hot out there, so I needed a short hair, and you've given me just that. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So here is my hair, the back.
Yeah, it's working around.
Okay. There we go. And voila.
Voila.
All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you later. Bye.
Right. Ciao, ciao.
Oh, don't forget, if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? So you can get more information like this coming to you all the time. Take care and share the video too with your friends. Bye-bye.